It's Teacher Paige. It's time for Oh My Stars! Let's go! Thanks for dropping in today. Today I want to talk to you about how meaningful stars can be. In some of my past videos, I have talked about using the image on the front of the star to bring that into and connect it with the lesson. But there's something about the back of the star that can make your star even more meaningful. My favorite way to do this is to write different things on the backs of the stars to have the students interact with it a little bit more and to make it a part of our lesson. One way to do this, and what I know a lot of people do, is they prepare ahead of time and they write down important things on the backs of the stars, and then they put them on their whiteboard and have the student choose the star that way. I like to instead write on the stars during our lesson. This way, I'm choosing content that I know the student might be struggling with and that we can reinforce on the spot. So I will leave my stars laid out flat in front of me on my desk, upside down. I have my dry erase marker with me, and I will write down real fast whatever it is that they are struggling with so that the next time that they get a star, we're reinforcing the vocabulary word that they had a hard time with. Oh, this! And then, they get their star. It doesn't have to be vocabulary words. It could be maybe a letter. Oh. It could maybe be a shape. I realized that could also be a letter. It can maybe be a math equation. It could even be a sentence. So the sky is the limit. You can write anything on the backs of your stars that you want to, and by doing it during the lesson, first of all, you don't have to prep. Woohoo! And secondly, you are ensuring that you're reinforcing the areas that they're actually struggling with. I can't tell you how many times I look at a lesson and I think, oh, they're going to have such a hard time with, this, because I've had 5 students in the past that struggled with this. It is hard, this. And then come the lesson, they do amazing at that word, and we need to work more on a completely different area of the lesson. So that way I don't have a meaningless, I'm not saying that writing words on the back is meaningless, but I like to have it more geared towards them and giving them an opportunity to practice their struggles in the lesson with their reward. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I'd love it if you click that like button. You can also follow me on Instagram at ohmystars. Bye! If you have any questions about how to use stars in your classroom, be sure to drop a comment below so I can help you out. Thanks for dropping in! Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you know when I post new videos. Happy teaching! Thanks for watching!